I write code, you can't frack with it if you wanted to. This is logic. These defined functions do what I want them to. Back or front, I can do them both. I don't have to choose, and I'm quick to learn a lot more because code can always be improved. I don't dance now, I write PHP. I ain't gotta dance, I write PHP. If I'm coding, best not speak. I got work as you can see. I'm a STEM girl, you took English. What you trying to be? Now he said, I'm gonna do what for you? Best find out from me, Candy C. You know what I do. You know it ain't free. You online just to kill time online. I get paid my fee. I'm in and out of meetups promoting diversity. Honestly, don't give a frack about who trying to intimidate me. Learn full stack dev in 1 month who gonna study as hard as me. I don't bother with these bros. Don't let these bros bother me. They see front, they see back. I am so intimidating. Look, I might just write PHP. I might write JavaScript too. Relational database. My code skills in your face. He want copy and paste. I'm like, okay, I'll code whatever he wants so I can buy me a new laptop to flaunt and a new mouse. When I code fast in the house, I got vanilla in the front. I'm the baddest tech to beat. No, you probably follow me with a lap bag at my feet. My code on a USB, and I do it on my own. Ain't got no time to be on the phone. Think these bros be mad at me? Their intimidation has shown.